Sorry, I think the video guys cut it off. So what I did is I removed the clock spring here. I removed it and I started turning it so it could do a lot of pressure. And I thought it was recording the whole time so I could show you guys. I'm sorry about that, but I'm gonna do a test right now. I did pressure here, so there's pressure here in the clock. I just spin it lots of times. Make sure it doesn't come out of place. You're spinning until it does a lot of pressure. And it's like that tight. Once it does a lot of pressure, you screw it on here, one over there or two over there, just so you can do testing. If it still comes out loose, then you gotta keep spinning it so it does more tight. And if you know what I'm kind of talking about, if it makes sense. You guys, let me try it right now. This one's unplugged, so we're gonna have to go ahead and put it on. We're gonna go ahead and put it on. It's a size 8. Size 8. We gotta go ahead and put it on. Let me see. I don't know. We'll be able to test just the current part. That's my concern, because the moonroof's not on. This is the one I want to put on. The motor. This is the one to the curtain motor. That's the one to the moonroof. Curtain motor, moonroof. Size 8. So you have to put all 3 of them because it does a lot of force. Oh, the air's on in this car. Let's turn it off. Okay. There goes one. ¡Sí! Llévatelo. Llévatelo. La batería es nueva. There you go. But I'm noticing that we cannot close it if the moonroof's not on. See, it keeps retracting it back. So let's find out why. Put this up here. We're not gonna be able to close it without the moonroof on. It's a T25, guys. Don't forget T25. Because of this car. Oh, we left this little metal piece up here. Okay, there we go. Yeah, it's not letting me. I don't know why. Okay, so there's the moonroof supposedly. There you go. So it's going. Looks like it's doing good. But we still need it to retract back. Don't forget, guys. Oh yeah, there you go. Oh boy, we're getting it. You seen that, guys? Oh my God, we saved some money here. We wanted to close, but it's not closing yet. We wanted. We wanted to close here. Dile a Washington que la cargue. ¿Ya se descargó? A ver, mete la batería bien. ¿Está metida bien? A ver. Va a flashar. Si ya está descargada, flashea así la luz. Al lado.
Sí, ya flasharon.
Métela bien. ¿Flashea la luz ahí? Okay, that's Washington. So yeah, we were able to fix the moonroof so far. It looks like it's gonna work. I wish I'll show you guys right now what I mean by retracting it. Just this is probably like a $800 job, you know. Let's get it. You take it somewhere that could charge up to like $2 grand. Okay, I want this to go forward. That's the problem right now. So it stops there, but we wanted to go all the way forward. You know, let's see. I don't know, why does it stop? So it's retracting very nice how we want it to. Just probably has to go down the current up here. So my mission was to fix the current, and it looks like it's working. Maybe we gotta put the timing correctly on the motor. I think the timing is off. I think we could turn it manually too, but I wanted to deal with the motor. That's why it has a hole right here to turn it manually. But let's see. See, usually some cars have for current. Oh, there you go. Goes back open. So yeah, I'm pretty sure we gotta put it on timing, but I already got a win-win here because we were able to fix the retractor. We just gotta keep turning it here. The clock stops right there, so we're gonna keep turning it, I think. Let's see, where is it at? Where is it at? The T25 we were using, guys. So this is a 2020 AMG. Most of the Mercedes have this problem all the time. This just, you know, starts hanging and everything, and people rip it and cut it. But we were able to save it because what happened is that the spring here is like a ruler of a measuring tape. You're pulling it so many times and then it gets stuck and they don't work. This is the same thing that happened here. So we removed here and we started spinning it like this, so it could get more power and it rolls back up by itself. So I spin it like 20 times here. I removed it and started turning it with my hand and put it in and then screwed it on. It's very easy. Okay guys, very easy. I unscrewed it, put it about this height right here, and then spin it, and it did that pressure here. Look, this pressure now is not loose or nothing like that. It's nice and neat. So now I'm gonna go ahead and I want to line it up, you know. That's what I'm trying to do. I want to line this up. So I think I'm about to take the motor out most likely, and then I don't know if I could spin it. Maybe we try spinning it, because that's why it has it for you to do it manually too also. Let me see. Let's get a size. Let's just spin it. What is this, a 5mm? So this is probably not gonna fit. It's too big. Our mission is to finish this car by today, so our day could be worth it. I got it right here in my pocket. So don't tune out of the channel, man. It's worth it for you guys that are repairing moonroofs out there. Do not tune out. Trust me. So the T25 also fits right there, so you can retract it. Don't tune out. It's worth you watching this video. You're gonna make money. You could charge customers, you know, I don't know how much an hour, but it's worth some money, you know. Dealer will charge you thousands. So I'm probably gonna remove it. I think it's getting too much pressure, so I'm gonna probably just remove it. I'm afraid to spin it too hard or something, so we're gonna go ahead and remove it. I think it's at the point where the timing is off. I think we're gonna get checked right now, or it's because the moonroof's not on yet. I'm gonna go ahead and remove this one right here. There's 3 of them, size 8mm. Remove it. I don't know if it's doing too much pressure, but we're gonna go ahead and remove it, and we don't want to mess it up, you know. See, it's not spinning there, but I'm pretty sure it's because of the moonroof. It's not on. Pretty sure. Because this is just gonna keep going. It doesn't know when to stop. Does that make sense? It doesn't know when it stops. It's like a window regulator, you know? Let's see. Sí, pero déjame acabar aquí el video. A mí no me interesa una lavadora, me interesa que acabes el tejabán. And we're gonna use a debit card here to slide this in right here. It's coming off. We don't want it to come out because it's doing the nice pressure we need. That side's holding nice and clean. But we don't want it to come off. See? I showed my card on the internet. Oh man. Damn. Okay. Ya me lo acabo. ¿No cabió la otra parte? So I think the moonroof pulls the inner liner in when it goes down. That's why it went halfway, and the moonroof's gonna start pushing it in as it closes down. But this is a problem we have here now, putting this part in here. There's some kind of pressure here. See that? There's pressure in there. Let me see. We're stuck here a little bit. That side is good. That side is in nice and clean. We're just stuck here on this side. I'm gonna need my both hands in a second. Let me put it right here, the phone. Paro, ¿sí quedó la parte que te di la otra o no? ¿No la pusiste? Falta una, ¿no?
¿Qué te di? ¿No te di la pinche de ese?
Es el de ahí.
Sí, pero no tiene, no carga.
Oh, ¿quién lo tiene?
Yo vi que ya lo era.
¿Ya lo cargó?
No sé.
Washington, did you charge it? Ve, fíjate, si no pudiera meterlo ya a cargar, dile.
No lo cargamos.
Dámelo. ¿Por qué no lo cargó?
En la cabeza, igual que a mí.